Show you guys how to use one of the benefits in your Savings Highway Global Gold, Platinum, or Titanium membership. This is under the employee discount. So for example, you see I searched Walmart. If you scroll down, you know, this software pretty much links you to discounts and all sorts of stuff, you know, at some of the favorite stores you shop at. You see right here we have 65% off flash sale. So we use coupon, and for this one it's just a click here. It's going to direct you to Walmart. See, it's going to direct you to Walmart. And another app we use is Rukaton. This is why it's so good to have this as a extension, because it's going to show you if you purchase, and it's good for most things on Walmart, you're going to get 2% cash back to your Rukaton account, which you can send to your bank account. So if we come back here, you see here's all your flash sales on Walmart. Every single day you see it's a nice savings. So this is one way you can start utilizing your membership. And like I said, remember, you're double dipping because you're getting the discounts, but also you're getting cash back to your Rukaton. So you see they have everything here, and you can search different departments. And here's one way to use a Savings Highway membership.